Hi guys, welcome back. I brought a little present for you guys to help us with our math lesson. You want to see what it is? That's an alligator. Why do you think alligator's in there? Oh, do you remember when we learned greater than and less than? And I said the alligator mouth is kind of reminds me of the greater than and less than symbol. Yeah, they look like this. Do you remember? Greater than, less than, and equal to. Yeah, today we're going to compare numbers. And the rule is that the alligator's mouth, the open mouth, eats the greatest number because he's hungry, right? So if we had 7 and 4, it would read just like a sentence from left to right. You would say 7 is greater than 4. And then this little mouth, alligator mouth, I'll put some teeth in there, is eating the 7. Good. Or, a circle. Let me flip it around. Or we could read it this way. 4 is less than 7. And see the 7 is over here and the mouth is going to eat the 7. He doesn't want to eat the 4 because the 4 is smaller. He only likes the biggest number. The open mouth has to eat the biggest number. But sometimes the numbers are even, right? They're exactly the same. 7 is equal to 7. So he's kind of like confused and he stays in the middle and he's equal sign. Do you remember that? All right, so I'm going to give you 2 numbers and you're going to decide if they're greater than or less than. Okay, first one, I want you to write these 2 numbers. I want you to write 67 and 76. Over here, 67 and 76. Write them down. All right, now, where would Allie the alligator, which one would he eat? Is he going to eat this one or this one? Show me with your symbol. You should have picked, whoop, just like this. And if you were to read this sentence, it would be 67 is less than 76. And the 76 is getting eaten up because the open mouth is eating the 76. Easy schmeezy? Yeah. Let's erase it speedy quick and try another one. The next one is 45 and 14. 45 and 14. Pick which way should the alligator's mouth be pointing, greater than or less than? You should have picked, good. The mouth, see how the mouth wants to eat the 45? Good. 45 is greater than 14, and the mouth is going to eat the 45. Good job. All right, a couple more. How about this one? 23 and 23. Did I trick you? No, I didn't trick you. What did you put? Yeah, it's not greater than or less than. It's equal to, because it's the same. If you had 23 peanuts and 23 peanuts, your friend had 23, it'd be the same. So the confused little alligator would be in the middle. Oh no, what do I eat? They're both the same. Good. All right, let's try a bigger number. Let's see if you can do it. My number is 110. Let's see if you write it correctly. Did you write it correctly? Here's 110. 110. All right, the next number is 116. So 100 and then 16. But which one would Allie the alligator eat? Which way should we put that greater than or less than sign? Good. Did you pick this way? Good. Ready? 110 is less than 116 because Allie the alligator definitely wants to eat 116. 116. All right, another big number. Ready? Erase it speedy quick. How about 120? 100 and then 20. Did you get it right? Good. This is good practice for our numbers. 120 and then 102. 102. Did you put the 0? 102. Sometimes kids think it's this 102. Is that 102? No, that's 1002. So be careful. It's 100, no tens, and 2 ones. 102. But where should Allie the alligator go? Which way should the greater than less than sign go? Which one is bigger? Greater. Yeah, you should have had this one. Because look, 20 is definitely bigger than 2. 120 is bigger or greater than 102. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here's a big 100 block. And here's 20, 10, 20. And here's 102. Here's the big 100 block. And then 2 little ones. And you can definitely see that this one's greater. So Allie's going to eat this 120. Good job. All right, erase it, Speedy Quick. And I think that for the rest of the week, for some of our questions, we're going to review greater than and less than. Yeah. All right. Excuse me. The next question is about some adding. Lucas is stuck in his house, so he's been watching some cars go by. Let's pretend that he's counting cars. He saw 4 red cars, 6 black cars, and 4 more white cars. So how many cars did he see in all? It was 4 red plus 6 black plus 4 white. So your equation will look kind of like this. So you have to decide where you're going to start first. A couple of different options. All right, now you know, Miss Herbal, I always like to find the tens. Yeah. And if you know how to make your tens really fast, you're going to know that 4 and 6 makes a 10. 6 and 4 more is a 10. Plus 4 more is 14. All right, so I found a 10 first. But some kids, they like to find the doubles. Did you see the doubles? Yeah, some of you just did this part first. 4 and 4 is 8 plus 6 more. 8 and 6 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Still going to be 14, no matter which way you do it. Did you get 14? Good job. All right, erase it, Speedy Quick. That was an easy one, wasn't it? Yeah. All right, let's move on to our next question then. Ooh, this is kind of an interesting one too. It says, put these numbers in order from the smallest to the greatest. So I'm going to give you a bunch of numbers and you put them in order. You ready? They're going to be in random order right now. I have 14, 43, 12, 54, and 5. We're going to try to do the smallest to the greatest. So I'm looking at these numbers. Which one is the smallest? Yeah, I agree. 5 is definitely the smallest. So I'm going to put 5. All right, so we have 14, 43, 12, and 54. I'm looking at these tens, to see which is the next smallest. Which of those is the smallest? Yeah, 14, I agree. Oh, 12, we missed 12. Okay, 12 is definitely smaller. And then the 14. So we have 12, 14. So we have 2 numbers left, 54 or 43. Which one is the smallest one? Yeah, this one only has 4 tens, and this one has 5 tens. So 43 is the next one. And that leaves 54 as the biggest or the greatest. Did you get them correct? Good job. All right, we'll try one more. You ready? Smallest to the greatest, or the least to the greatest. All right, ready? 65, 12, 60, 67, and 45. I'll give you a minute to write them down. Oops. There you go. All right, so we have to find the smallest one. Out of all those, which has the least amount of tens? That's what I look for. What do you think? Yeah, 12. So we have 12, and cross it out so you don't use it again. So you have 65, 60, 67, and 45. Ooh, yeah, 45. Okay, so now we have a lot of 60s. 65, 60 or 67? We gotta look at these ones places. What do you think? Yeah, 60. Gonna cross it out. So now we have 65 and 67. Which is smaller? Yeah, 65. So the biggest one must be, or the greatest, is 67. Do you agree? Good job. All right, erase this speed quick. And I'm going to challenge you for your homework because it's a really hard one. I'm going to give you these numbers, 112, these are big numbers, 120, 110, and 100. Write those down and then send me a picture of the order from the least to the greatest. Which of those numbers is the least to the greatest? Put those 4 numbers in order for me and send me a picture. All right? Take care and keep learning.